Hi there, it's Beth, and we're here in the AFI Project Lab to make some mini car diffusers. These are such a cute alternative to regular hanging car air fresheners, and they've seen a huge increase in popularity on the market the last couple of years. Let's use our version of Sea Island Cotton by Bath & Body Works today. Using a reliable base like our Luxe Reed diffuser base is a surefire way to get a great throw, even in the tiniest diffusers. Since mini car diffusers are so small and they diffuse via bamboo caps instead of reeds, I recommend using a slightly lower fragrance percentage than normal. Too much fragrance and you risk clogging, which will weaken the strength of the diffuser. Each bottle has a 1/3 fluid ounce liquid capacity, so to make 10 in total, I'm mixing up about 3 ounces of liquid. For a 15% fragrance load, that amounts to 2.72 ounces of base and 0.41 ounces of our version of Sea Island Cotton by Bath & Body Works. This is a clean, fresh, and airy scent that's ideal for spring and summer, but fits into a beachy themed vibe all year round without being super sweet. Mix it together well until the mixture is clear and fill each diffuser bottle. It helps to have a small beaker for pouring with a spout on it, or even a large pipette to avoid any spills. If these are going on inventory or store shelves, pop the stopper back in to keep the fragrance from evaporating while they're waiting to be enjoyed. Once you or your customers are ready to use them, screw the diffusing cap on and tip the bottle upside down for 30 seconds so the fragrance can saturate the bamboo. Now it's ready to hang from the rearview mirror. You can see how quick it is to make a bunch of these with a combination of our base and fragrance. They're an easy addition to any line of home fragrance, which will round out your product listing, so there's a little something for everyone's budget. As always, thanks for watching, Fragrance Fam. Find our base and this fragrance on our web store at afi-usa.com/shop so you can make these for yourself. Bye, y'all.